Let's do it. Big piece of Georgetown, thin. This is going to require a whole bunch of restraint, as well as making sure my strikes are on point so I am not snapping this guy in half. Does it happen? Yes. Hopefully it doesn't happen today. Let's get a little pop. One more. Actually, I want to come in and then meet it where I start to come in. Okay. Not going to take off too long. About. Got a big pocket, right? That's from a little test flake. So I don't want to start chipping away at this. I can't come down, start to raise it up. This is weak. So I actually want to come this way and meet it. So a little chip there. Trying to support. Forearm is my support. Just looking exposed. A little better. Yeah. So now that I've connected, I can throw a couple flakes across this tip. Let's give myself one good one. That's a good flake. Keep it cased. Let's go to this tip here. Oh, too high. Turn my billet. Good. All right. One, two, three. Connect to that side. Gotcha. Perfect. Raise the edge. Now I'm where I want to be. Good, good, good. This is my chunk. This is my wall. I'll get that last. One more. Now I got this. Let's go with the softy. What I just dropped. Nothing of importance. It's probably another hammerstone. Okay. Do one more. Missed it. Go a little hard hammer. Let's go with this guy. A little more mass behind it. Gotcha. I'm trying to run it down a little bit. It's almost like a 90 degree. Jump up one little hammer. Yeah, let's go one billet up. Like it. Little hinge. Let's just go a little tap tap. A little tap. One more tap. Gotcha. Okay, cool. Cool. One. Big guy. Throw a nice clean flake. Punching down. Should roll right into here. Kind of get rid of that little bit of cortexal hinge. Better. Gotcha. Good flake. Okay, let me get this from here. Should have abraded a little better, son of a gun. Good, I liked it. One more. Good. Liked it. Got some good spots. Let's go. Nothing too big here. Good. Go. Good. Let's get a little bit more stone. There we go. Secondary fruit there. No bueno. Bad. Not too bad. Now let's get that. Gotcha. Okay, that's what I wanted. A couple more. This little high spot. Okay, so where are we going? I need to go here. So see that? That's what happens when you hit it wrong. You break it. Those two little pockets of those concretions right inside. Likely it. I gave it a pop and it broke off. Not the end of the world. Still working with a big piece, but took a break. And chaos ensued. So it goes. All right. A little more thinning. Can definitely probably go one more pass. Whole way through. I'm going to stop here for my biface. When I broke that piece off, where the hell it went? When I broke this chunk off, sitting right down here, so I lost probably about 2 inches. It happens. See those little concretions on the inside? Those were the culprits in the break, along with poor hit, but it's still salvageable. It's not really symmetrical at this point, but nice Kato blade. I'm getting hot. I'm going to stop. Today's about restraint, knowing when to stop and when to keep going. And today, right now, I'm going to stop. Couple tip breaks, clearing some hinges, and this has been about 2 hours. My back hurts, my butt's wet. I need to get something to drink. We'll continue on with this. Between the strikes, check out the Stonework podcast if you haven't done so. Right now, all sorts of episodes on there, along with some guests. I'm starting to feature some guests. Check out the Stonework podcast. Anywhere you listen to your favorite podcasts, just type in Stonework. My voice will suddenly resonate through your headphones over your car speaker. All right, we're gonna continue this one a little bit later, but we're almost there. That's all I got. Appreciate you watching.